Agiofarago means Gorge of Saints. It is located 80 kilometers south of Heraklion. Getting there can be tricky, but nevertheless you shouldn't miss it. It is in close distance to the Monastery of Odigitria and to Sivas village. The only way to go is by car or motorcycle. An alternative way is to get there by boat from Matala, Agia Galini, or Kali Limenes. After you park your car, you need to walk inside the gorge for about 45 minutes. There are large caves that are used by hermits. The vertical cliffs of the gorge offer an excellent place for climbers and adventurous spirits. In fact, there are a few climbing fields. When walking towards the beach, make sure you wear sneakers or hiking shoes. At the exit of the gorge, you'll discover an amazing beach. It has fine pebbles and clear blue waters that are relatively deep. A rocky environment surrounds the beach, providing shade. The beach is totally secluded, so bring your own umbrella and snacks. Visited by locals and tourists who like alternative ways of relaxing, you can also camp at the beach, admiring the night sky full of stars and mythical legends. There are many beaches in short distance, so stay tuned on myCrete.tv.